What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about renewing your driver's license online. Kasi ngayon, pwede na siya gawing online yung renewal niya at saka pwede niyong bayaran gamit yung credit card ninyo. At the same time, pag-uusapan natin of course yung steps or mga hakbang kung paano mag-renew ng driver's license online. At saka kung ano yung sinasabing telemedicine. Kasi merong telemedicine na requirements for renewal. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, renewing a Philippine driver's license online is done primarily through the eGov application, which allows for a duly digital process including medical exams and license delivery. Applicants must register on the app, select the LTO service, complete the telemedical exam. So mamaya yung telemedical exam pag-uusapan natin. Finish the driver's enhancement program or DEP, upload required documents, and pay online. So since it is paying online, you can use your credit cards to pay it off para ma-proceed yung renewal ng driver's license ninyo. Then ngayon, let's talk about steps to renew your driver's license. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga hakbang? Una is download and register. Download the eGov PH from the App Store or Google Play Store and complete the registration and security verification. So using your Android phones guys, if naka-Android kayo or naka-iPhone man using your iOS, ang gagawin nyo is pwede nyo siyang i-download sa App Store or di kaya sa Google Play Store. Kung naka-Apple Store kayo, sa App Store. Kung naka-Google or kung naka-Android, sa Google Play Store. Then, hanapin niyo yung eGov PH app. Then, pangalawa is access LTO services. Open the application, navigate to the NJS or sinasabing National Government Agencies section, select LTO, and click on Online Driver's Application. Since regarding siya sa Land Transportation Office, so pupunta kayo ngayon sa LTO section. Then, pangatlo is complete the requirements. Medical exam. Complete a telemedicine medical examinations within the app's LTO portal. So, even the medical exam, guys, could be done inside LTO's portal, which is via online na lahat. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng telemedicine na sinasabi? Telemedicine for an LTO medical certificate is a fully online digital service allowing drivers to obtain necessary medical clearance for license renewal or application via video and chat consultations with accredited doctors. So take note lang guys na accredited doctor siya ng LTO, yung makikita nyo dun sa LTO's portal, which could be done via online. It is integrated into the LTO ODLRS portal or eGov PH application, allowing remote contactless submission of medical results. Kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, via video chat, i-consult kayo para magkakaroon kayo ng online consultations with an accredited doctors within or inside LTO portal. Key aspects of LTO telemedicine. Process. Applicants book an appointment via the LTO portal, undergo a virtual examination, and receive a digital medical certificate. So, ibig sabihin guys, yung process niya is kailangan mo muna mag-book online gamit yung LTO portal, then mag-undergo kayo ngayon ng virtual examinations with the LTO accredited doctors. Purpose is to expedite license renewal without needing to visit a physical clinic, reducing the need for in-person transactions. So, for your convenience, kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, pwede na kayo mag-renew ng driver's license ninyo. Since online na lahat, mapapabilis yung renewal. Hindi mo na kailangan pumila kasi ang hirap-hirap talaga. Convenience. It allows for a faster, safer, and more accessible process, often integrated with online payment and electronic submission directly to LTO. So, yung iniiwasan kasi dito is para hindi siya dumaan ng fixer. Alam mo yun, kasi yung iba, diba, nadaan sa fixer para mabilis. So, ngayon, for your convenience, para mapabilis na rin yung process, nag-adapt na si LTO ngayon via online renewal ng driver's license ninyo. Requirement is the medical certificate must come from an LTO accredited physician. So, kailangan na kailangan guys, is LTO accredited physician yung mag-attend sa inyo for virtual examination para i-honor yon. Validity is similar to physical exams. The resulting electronic medical certificate is valid for 60 days. So yung validity niya guys is 60 days of course. Then, this service is part of LTO's digitalization to reduce fixers and provide faster services, particularly when using the eGovPH app for end-to-end online license renewal. Then ngayon, let's move on to pang-apat na steps in renewing your driver's license online. Pang-apat is upload documents. So, na-obtain na ninyo yung telemedicine report, medical certificate. Upload documents, upload a photo of your physical driver's license, front and back, and take a selfie following the provided standard format. So, yung kailangan nyo guys is yung yung existing driver's license niyo, kailangan nyo i-upload yung photo, front and back, harap at likod. Then, may format doon na kailangan nyo sundin. Review and pay. Verify your details and submit. Pay the renewal fee using e-wallets, bank transfer, or credit cards. So, regarding payment naman, you can pay using your credit cards, your e-wallets, and bank transfers. So, mapapabilis na yung payment guys. Hindi nyo na kailangan pumila, di ba? Pang-anim is after everything, nabayaran nyo na lahat-lahat, pumasa kayo, receive digital physical license. A digital driver's license is generated instantly upon successful transaction. You may choose to have the physical card delivered or pick up. So, right after the transactions, guys, nag-fill out kayo, nasubmit nyo yung documents, nakapagbayad kayo. Then, na-approve siya. Then yun, successful yung transaction, kumbaga. Automatic, guys, makikita nyo na yung generated digital driver's license ninyo. Pwede na agad yun, instant yun. Then ngayon, you can choose kung gusto nyong i-pick up or i-deliver sa bahay ninyo yung physical driver's license or yung hawak nyo yung ID na yan. Key requirements and reminders. Validity. You can renew at least 1 month before the expiration date. So just make sure lang guys na mag-renew na kayo agad-agad before expiration. So 1 month before. Kasi right after kayo mag-renew, na-expire na. So mamaya nagkaroon kayo ng unexpected na hulihan dyan. So wala kayong may 50%. So make sure lang guys na 1 month before makapag-renew na kayo para kahit paano before pa mag-expire, na-deliver na sa inyo yung physical driver's license ninyo. Driver's license, a clear photo of your current physical driver's license. So, nakalagay dito is current physical driver's license. So, make sure lang na yung dati yung driver's license, yun yung pipicture nyo, din i-upload nyo siya doon sa LTO portal. Medical certificate must be from an LTO accredited clinic, which can be done via telemedicine. So, via online siya, make sure lang na accredited clinic siya ng LTO, then it can be done via telemedicine. Tulad na sabi ko kanina, via online consultations with accredited doctors by LTO. CDE certificate. If not using the application for the full renewal process, you must pass the Comprehensive Driver's Education or CDE exam via the LTMS portal. So, make sure lang na makomply nyo ito lahat. Then, that's all. Marireceive na ninyo yung physical driver's license ninyo from LTO. So, keep in mind guys na it contains confidential. So, make sure to keep it to yourself. Huwag na huwag mong i-share kahit kanino. Kasi, di ba, driver's license is a primary identification. Delikado siya kapag pinost ninyo online. So, make sure lang guys na you should keep the confidentiality of that document or proof of identification of yours. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transaction.